Hello YouTubers, Celticghostz here. Tonight I am bringing you the 2 location grid maps that I was promising you. I was promising to get you a larger one so that you can put even more worlds onto your Opensim. I have added a download link from my MediaFire where you can actually get your own copy of these and have them with you while you're building your Sims. It'll be a copy of this one where I put my worlds on this map, but then over here you do have a larger grid. And just take note that your center will always start at the 1000, 1000. And make sure that when you do add these in your location, you put a comma between them. And I put an example of that right here. Let's see if we can get a close-up of it. When you put your location in your world server here, it'll show you the 1000, 1000 and then ask you what region you want this location at. You put those numbers in right here. Make sure you separate them with a comma, or when you hit enter it won't work. It'll actually start it over again and it will confuse the system and it won't know what you meant to do with the numbers without that comma there. So just click the link and you can go to my MediaFire page and pick up a copy of this larger grid. And I also included the small one showing you where I had positioned my OR files in this last game tutorial. Anyway, YouTubers, I hope you have a lot of fun with your Opensims, and I want to thank you all for watching. If you like what you're seeing and you want to see more, please click my like and subscribe button, and I hope you have a great evening.